Hi everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are excited to share a case study on how we have helped a Calgary-based landscape construction and property maintenance company generate significant leads and conversions using the Google AdWords. If you are in the landscaping industry and looking to grow your business online, then this case study is a must watch. So let's get started. In terms of the brand overview, this is a well-established landscaping company in Calgary, offering a full range of services including paving, stone patios, driveways, retaining walls, decks, fences, and pergolas. They also provide comprehensive residential and commercial property maintenance services with over 15 years of experience. They pride themselves on delivering top quality workmanship and exceptional customer service. In terms of the campaign objective, the main objective of the Google AdWords campaign were to generate qualified leads, increase the number of qualified leads for the landscape construction services such as patios, pathways, and the driveways. The next is to enhance the brand awareness, a position as a leading landscaping service provider in Calgary. The next is to boost the online visibility, improve the online visibility through the targeted search ads and the display ads, reaching potential customers in need of high quality landscaping services. So now next thing is in terms of what we did. Here is a comprehensive breakdown of the strategies we have implemented to achieve the outstanding results. First is the keyword research and the targeting. We have conducted extensive keyword research to identify high intent search terms related to the landscape construction and the property maintenance in Calgary. This included search terms like paving, stone patios, landscaping construction, Calgary, and the residential lawn care services. We have targeted both the broad and the long tail keyword to capture a wide range of search intents. The next is customized ads. Our team crafted compelling ads tailored to their services. Ads highlighted their expertise, quality materials, and the customer satisfaction with phrases such as free estimates, over 100 5-star reviews, and 2-year warranty on the projects, and so on. We have also created different ad variations to test which messaging resonated best with the audience. The next is the location targeting. Given a focus on Calgary and the nearby areas, we have set up precise location targeting to ensure that the ads reached potential customers within their service area. This included targeting specific neighborhoods and surrounding cities to maximize the local reach. The next is the ad extensions. To enhance the ad visibility and engagement, we have used various ad extensions, including the site link extension, provided additional links to the important pages such as get a free estimate and paving stone project gallery. The next is the call extension. We have enabled users to easily call the business directly from their ad. The next is the structured snippet extension, highlighted specific services like patios, driveways, and the retaining walls. The next is for the remarketing campaigns. We have implemented the remarketing strategy to re-engage users who had previously visited the website but did not convert. These feature tailored messaging, encouraging users to return and request a free estimate or explore the project gallery. The next is the A/B testing. To optimize the campaign performance, we have conducted a A/B testing on various elements, including tested different versions of the ad copy to determine which messaging led to higher CTR and the conversions. The next is the ad creatives. We have compared different visuals to identify which image or the graphic generated the most engagement. The next is the audience segments. Evaluated the performance across various audience segments, including homeowners, property managers, and the commercial property owners to define the targeting. The next is the campaign testing. We ran multiple types of campaign to find the most effective strategies. The next is the search campaign. We have focused on capturing intent-driven searches for landscape construction and the maintenance services. The next is the display campaigns. We have used visually engaging ads to build brand awareness and attract potential customers through browsing their website. The next is the local campaign campaigns. We have targeted users within the specific geographic areas to increase the local visibility and drive more relevant traffic to the website. The next is the conversion tracking and the analytics. We have set up comprehensive conversion tracking using the Google Analytics and the Google AdWords to monitor key actions such as the form submissions for free estimates and phone calls from ads. This allowed us to track campaign success, measure the ROI, and make the data-driven optimization. The next is the performance optimization. We have regularly reviewed the campaign performance data to identify the areas for improvement, adjusted the bidding strategies, refined the targeting parameters, and optimized the ad creatives based on the performance insights to ensure continuous improvement and the better results. In terms of the results, the first is the lead generation. The campaign resulted in a substantial increase in the quality leads with 206 conversion with the CPA of only 18.25. The client also saw an increased brand awareness. The targeted search and display campaign significantly boosted the brand awareness with a 40% increase in impressions and a 25% increase in CTR. The next is the enhanced online visibility. The strategic use of the keywords and the location targeting improved the company's online visibility, ensuring they appeared at the top of the search results for relevant inquiries in Calgary. The next is in terms of the conclusion. This case study demonstrates the power of well-executed Google AdWords strategy in driving qualified leads and enhancing the brand presence for a local service-based business like this company. If you are looking to achieve similar results for your landscaping business, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights and the success stories.